Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer files from iPhone to PC for completely free. So let's get started. First open browser on your PC and go to website creu.com. This software is all-in-one tool designed for iOS devices such as iPhone and iPad, and with this tool you can manage your files and data in one click. It is also equipped with the software modification and repair features. The best part about this application is that you can use it for completely free. The size of this tool is about 100 MB. Just click on the download button and a setup file will be downloaded to your PC. Now open setup file and install the tool. Installation is quick and easy. Once the 3U tools is installed, open the tool. Now you need to connect your iPhone to your PC using charging cable. Okay, so now I have connected my iPhone to my PC. As you can see, you will get entire information about your iOS device on the screen. Now on the left panel menu, tap on Files. You can even try using photos, videos or music option. But for the purpose of this video, I will try using Files option. Now look for the file that you wish to transfer to your PC. Let's say this is the image file that I wish to transfer. Here you can even get an option to preview the file before transfer. Just double click the file and you will get the preview. Now select the file and click on Export option at the top. The Export Directory pop-up will be opened where you can select the location on your PC where you wish to transfer the file. Once you select the path, click on OK button. Let's see whether the file is transferred or not. As you can see, the file has transferred successfully. So that was all about how to transfer files from iPhone to PC for completely free. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.